pressure hit harder every day. When your body tired and your mind feel worn, and you're asking yourself how you gonna see tomorrow morning. Jah gon' make a way. Hold the faith, don't let it fade. He gon' carry you through. Oh, this can't be the life Jah designed for men, where full-time work still don't cover the rent. Parents skipping meals so the kids can eat, while the price of survival rise every week. You turn on the news, hear numbers and lies, but the struggle right here in front of our eyes. People choosing between gas or food, trying to stay calm, but the stress affect the mood. You do everything right, still falling behind. System set up to drain your time. Not lazy, not weak, just overwork. And the more you try, the more it hurts. Still falling behind. Overwork. Oh, we praying for answers, not sympathy, just a fair chance, some dignity. Jah gon' make a way, even when it feel like you're stuck in the same place. When your strength get low and hope feel thin, Jah remind you this struggle not the end. Make a way through the fire and rain. Stand firm, don't break. Jah gon' make a way. Why? Yeah. They say we free, but the chains look new. Same old control in a different view. Loans on our backs, interest high. Working our lives just to barely get by. Equality spoken, but rarely shown. Some born rich, some born alone. Hard work praised, but not rewarded, while wealth get passed down and hoarded. You see luxury rise behind guarded gates, while the poor get blamed for their own fate. But hunger don't come from lack of trying. It come from a system that keep people fighting. Chains look new, barely get by. From the suffering, remember power don't last forever. No money can buy peace of mind. When judgment time, put truth in line. Every deed accounted for, truth don't hide. Jah children, lift your head. You're more than the numbers they label you with. This hardship shaping, not defining you. Jah see every sacrifice you go